What's the meaning of congressperson? Congressperson. Congressperson.
Congressperson. Congressperson. The term congressperson refers to a member of the United States Congress, which is the legislative branch of the federal government. Congress consists of two houses, a House of Representatives and the Senate. A congressperson can be a representative in the House or a senator in the Senate, and they are responsible for drafting, voting on, and passing laws that affect the entire country. There are currently 535 members of Congress, and they are elected by the people of their respective states or congressional districts.